Are you looking for a way to pay off your house faster? Let's explore how Heloc can help you. The home equity line of credit can be your key to financial freedom. The problem is traditional mortgage payments often leave homeowners feel trapped with little progress toward owning their home outright. But don't worry, here is the solution. A HELOC allows you to leverage the equity you built in your home to your advantage. By opening a HELOC, you can access funds based on the value of your home and use that money to make additional payment toward your mortgage principal. And paying down your mortgage faster not only reduces interest cost, but also helps you build equity and putting you on the fast track to full home ownership. So take action now. Contact your local lender to learn more about how HELOC can accelerate your journey to debt-free home. With HELOC, you can unlock the power of home equity and achieve financial freedom sooner than you ever thought possible. And if you want to buy or sell or invest in real estate, reach out to me. And just follow me for more real estate tips. And thank you so much for watching.